Ratchet Clank, Future Tools of Destruction, Gliches 2 by ClankFan1. Okay everyone, welcome to my first Future Tools of Destruction glitch video. First thing I'm going to be showing you is this really cool glitch. If you have the Omega Shredder Claws, like any version, it doesn't matter. Now hold down R2, press X, circle, X. You could climb like the wrench in first person mode in the other games. And I'm going to show you where you can go in the first level. And just a second. Climbing a really tall building right now. Okay, that's as high as I can go. Oh, okay. Has anyone ever been over here? And then you could attack this guy. He won't die. You go through his legs. Do the same to this one. Turns red like he's an enemy. And Insomniac was too lazy to like just make him disappear, so they put like 2 of the guys in there for some reason. Don't know why. Kinda stupid. So then you can go up here. Oops. Make sure you don't stand too close to the building, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now you're on top of this gold roof. Now you can use your shred claws to get up here. Now I can use them to get on top of this antenna type thing. Be careful with your ammo because you only have 50 on all levels. Okay, now I'm flying over here. And I'm going to go over here behind the main building, if I can. Might not let me. No guarantees. I've really never been this far. Just keep going and going. It's fun with these shred claws. I'm sure if you owned the past Ratchet and Clank, you know the first person wrench glitch. Everyone knows that. I'm at the huge building. I know I'm not going to get to the top before I run out of ammo. 3, 2, 1. That was as high as I could go. I don't know what happened. I went in my ship and I'm at a black screen with a bunch of numbers. Yeah.